Morning class 8. Now we are doing exercise 16b and we are on question number 12. AB, BC and CD are three consecutive sides of a regular polygon. If angle BAC is equal to 20 degrees, find its each interior angle, each exterior angle and the number of sides in the polygon. So here it is given that AB, BC and CD are three consecutive sides and angle BAC, can you see, BAC is given 20 degrees of a regular polygon. Now children, when the polygon is regular one, so we know that this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this, all sides are equal. And one more thing children, if you remember that it is forming a triangle ABC, and in triangle ABC, when AB is equal to BC, so when sides are equal, angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. Remember this concept. If you don't remember, please revise it children. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal means angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. This means this is also 20 degree. This BCA is also 20. Now in triangle ABC, this angle plus this angle plus this angle, the sum will be what? 180 degrees. Okay class. So this is 20, this is 20, and angle B we have to find. Okay. So angle B plus 40 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Angle B is equal to 180 minus 40, 140 degrees. Now this is the answer of first part, each interior angle. And now we'll find exterior angle. We know that interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180. Therefore exterior angle is equal to 180 minus interior angle. 180 degree minus 140 degrees is equal to 40 degree. Now number of sides. Number of sides, the formula is n is equal to 360 degree upon exterior angle. So 360 degree upon 40, 0 cancel 0, 4 9s are 36. N is equal to 9. I hope this question is clear to all of you. Now let's do question number 16 children. If the difference between the exterior angle of n-sided regular polygon and an n plus 1 sided regular polygon is 12. Difference between exterior angles of n-sided and n plus 1 sided regular polygon is given. Find the value of n. Okay, there are two polygons. One is having how many sides? N sides, and other one is having n plus 1 sides. Now the difference between their exterior angles is given. It is given 12. Okay, so formula says of exterior angle 360 degree upon n minus 360 degree upon n plus 1 is equal to 12. Now how to take the LCM when there is no integer over here, variables are given. So in this case children, you write both of them here, n plus 1, and cross multiply them. N plus 1 multiply this side and you multiply n this side. So 360 degree into n plus 1 minus 360 degree into n. Now multiply this inside the bracket. So 360n plus 360 degree minus 360n. This 360 get cancelled by this 360 plus minus. Now we are left with 360 degree is equal to 12n n plus 1. Now multiply this 12n inside the bracket, 12n into n. One thing, before multiplying inside, divide this 360 by this 12. You will get 30 degree over here, and now it is more simplified. Multiply n inside only. Okay, n into n square, and n into 1 n. Clear? Now take this 30 degree this side. N square plus n minus 30 degree is equal to 0. Now children, how to solve this thing? Put n is equal to 1. Now we'll keep some values at place of n and we'll find at which number the answer of left hand side and right hand side will become equal. In that case, that will be the answer. Okay, when the LHS and RHS will be same, will be equal. So first I kept 1. So 1 square plus 1 minus 30 is equal to 1 1s are 1 plus 1 2 minus 30 minus 28. Not coming 0 because here it is given na, n square plus n minus 30 is equal to 0. So the value this in this LHS should come what? It should be also 0. Then I kept 2 children. 2 square plus 2 minus 30 gave us minus 24. Still the answer has not come. Now I kept on keeping the values. Then I reached to 5 and I got 5 square plus 5 minus 30. 5 5 is 25 plus 5, 30 minus 30 is 0. Yes, at this point LHS and RHS both are equal, so n is equal to 5. I hope this question is clear. Please do it in your notebooks, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.